Hello everyone, I am Deborah and welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen for another keto-friendly recipe that will keep you focused, satisfied, and in keto. Thank you all so much for joining me. Now you guys know that recently I have been all about the baking and oh my gosh, am I having a good time with the baking. But today you guys, I actually cooked something on the stove top and y'all, if you can just smell how good this food that I'm about to show you smells. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So I am not gonna keep you all in suspense any longer and let me show you guys what I cooked. Okay. You guys, I made a chicken in Alfredo sauce. Okay. Now, the thing about this is the Alfredo sauce, either you can put the cut up chicken in it, okay, as you will see in the footage that will follow this opener, or what you can do is you can use the Alfredo sauce for a topping for your keto-friendly low-carb pasta. And this is the pasta, okay, that I am having today. And I got this from Thrive Market, and it is a wonder noodle, shirataki noodles, okay? And this is a spaghetti cut. And this is what this looks like. And again, what you do is you put this sauce over it, which I'm gonna do right now. I am not kidding you. This stuff is absolutely amazing. I wish I can text you some. That's how good it is. Like that. And I am going to put a little Parmesan cheese on top. Now what? Keto diet. I am telling you, Alfredo sauce is one of those things that I used to make when I was not keto, and I thought about it. It's like everything that is in this sauce will adhere to a keto diet. And so it's got the cream, it's got the garlic, it's got the butter, it's got my own special seasoning in it, and you guys, absolutely amazing. So this is one way that you can have this sauce, but I took it a little bit further. And another way that you can have it is I grilled a chicken breast on the stovetop, and I put some of this Alfredo sauce, drizzled it on the top, along with some asparagus that I actually cooked in the oven. And I drizzle a little of this Alfredo sauce on it as well. Now guys, does that not look good? Wow. And again, I'm keto and my husband is not, but again, this very same sauce will suit both of us just fine. He absolutely loves this sauce. So, this is his pasta. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some of this chicken Alfredo sauce on top of it and sprinkle it with some Parmesan cheese, and he is also good to go. So, let me go ahead and get into the pasta. Oh my God. Telling you guys, it smells so good in here. I feel like I need a knife to cut this. Okay, here we go. Not keto at all, guys. Let me tell you, this stuff is amazing. Piece of chicken. You guys, that chicken just melts in your mouth. Mm, so good. And now for a little of this. Telling you, keto is not boring at all. At all. You can still eat delicious restaurant worthy meals and still stay in keto. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you guys, one sauce and actually 3 different meals. One with pasta that suits my husband, who is not keto, and me, where I've got the imitation pasta with the sauce on top. And then I have another meal, which is a chicken breast with the sauce drizzle on top. And all of this is absolutely delicious. So, guys, without further ado, let me go ahead and roll this footage for you so that you can make yours as well. In the meantime, please do give this video a thumbs up. Please do share. And if you're not yet part of my YouTube family, I would love if you would become part of the family and join me for this journey by pressing that subscribe button below. So let's go ahead and get into this footage, you guys. You guys remain safe, healthy, and encouraged until we meet again. Keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and stay in keto. And I will see you all real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say Too. Thank you all so much for joining me. Okay, everyone, this is everything that you're going to need to make this delicious chicken Alfredo. And it's probably a staple that you have already in your kitchen because you are also following a keto diet. And the pasta is for my husband because he's not keto, and the gluten-free noodles are for me because I am. We're going to start with this chicken. We're going to prep it by patting it dry on both sides. And then go ahead and cut off any strings or anything that we do not want to consume. And I season my chicken with salt, garlic powder, and pepper. And of course, you season yours to your liking. Now that this is done, we're going to go on over to the stove where my pan has already been preheated. Got to add some olive oil. And go ahead and put that chicken in and sear it. And cook it until it is golden brown. And you guys, I love, love, love these pans that I purchased from Amazon. They are awesome. They cook things so well, and I will leave those in the description as well, just in case you're interested. Now, to put together the ingredients for the Alfredo sauce, we're going to start with the garlic. And I take a big knife and I pound on the garlic with the palm of my hand, and that is to separate the skin from the garlic. That's a little trick that my mom taught me. Go ahead and peel off that skin. And then you're going to cut off the ends, which is the hard part of the garlic. And we're going to mince it by using this garlic press. And this, you guys, believe it or not, I got this from the Dollar Tree. And recently it has definitely been coming in handy because I have been mincing a lot of garlic. Okay, now that is ready. And in my sauce, I also put in a little ground nutmeg. And then lastly, we are going to squeeze some fresh lemon juice. And now these ingredients are ready to take to the stove so that we can put together this Alfredo sauce. And as you can see, this chicken is cooking up well, golden brown, and it is juicy. And we're just gonna go ahead and slide it over so that we can make room for making the Alfredo sauce. And we're gonna start with adding about a half stick of butter and melt that down. And to that, I am going to add the minced garlic. And I'm stirring it and also turning down the heat just to make sure that this garlic does not overcook and burn. And that is looking really good. And guys, if you can smell this, oh, the smell of that butter and the garlic, so delicious. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And go ahead and stir that until all the butter and the garlic is well incorporated into that cream. And that came to a boil, and I turn it down to simmer. And now I'm going to add about a tablespoon of the fresh lemon juice. And to my sauce, I add about a half a teaspoon of that fresh ground nutmeg. And stir that until well combined. And as you can see, that is simmering really, really well. Now you're going to add the Parmesan cheese, and that will give it additional flavor, and it will also thicken your sauce. And of course, add some salt to your liking if that's what you want to do. And guys, this is ready. And now for the chicken. So I took out 2 pieces, and I'm going to cut those into bite-sized pieces. And then the last piece, I am going to serve that up differently. And you guys, this little cutting board that I'm using, another find from the Dollar Tree. Now that this is ready, and I lost the footage for this, but now that this is ready, I went back to the stove and I added it to my Alfredo sauce. And this is the final product, you guys. So delicious. The chicken with asparagus, both drizzled with that delicious Alfredo sauce. And then I also have my gluten-free pasta smothered with the chicken Alfredo sauce. So good.